In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add Spotify music to your Instagram story, a valuable guide presented by Media Magnet Guide. But before we dive into the details, if you're excited to learn how to enhance your Instagram stories with your favorite Spotify tunes, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. If you've discovered an incredible song on Spotify and wish to share it on your Instagram story with that handy Play on Spotify button, stay tuned. But first, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Your support greatly benefits our channel. Thanks, everyone. The first step is to open Spotify. Let's choose an artist, for instance, Ed Sheeran, and a specific song. Once you've selected the song, tap on the Share option at the bottom right. You'll see an Instagram Story option. Tap on that, and it will automatically bring up the song on your Instagram story. However, if you want to customize it further, perhaps with your own photo or video, tap on the sticker at the top right. Choose from your gallery. Pick a photo and adjust its size to cover the existing background. This way, your Instagram story becomes more personalized. Hit share at the bottom right when you're ready. Now, let me show you what it looks like. Once uploaded, your story will have a play button at the top left. Tapping on it reveals a Play on Spotify option. This allows your followers or viewers to open and listen to the specific song on Spotify, creating a cool way to share your music preferences with your Instagram audience. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.